Hey everyone, I'm Juan.
I'm Zach,
We're headed into the office.
and we're taking over the Instagram today.
Let's go.
So what is our job?
Zach and I are business systems consultants in the public sector. On average, state governments are utilizing technology that is at least 10 years old. We are the bridge between the government client and the development team. Part of that is being boots on the ground for every stage of the software development lifecycle.
Zach, what are your favorite things about coming to work into the office?
Well, aside from the fully stocked kitchen, I love coming into the office to collaborate in person with my coworkers. Juan, what are some ways that our coworkers can get involved outside the office?
So here at Resultant, we have gathering groups. Some of our gathering groups include rock climbing, investing, book club. I'm part of the music gathering group, and so we get together around shared music interests. We're going to a concert in June of 2022.
Awesome. Juan, how do you practice lifelong learning?
So I do a lot of reading. My favorite types of books are personal development books. My friend Aaron got me this book for Secret Santa. I also do a lot of listening to podcasts. I do some courses on Coursera. Lifelong learning really matters a lot to me.
Hey Zach, what's the onboarding champion program?
The onboarding champion program is something that I'm a part of. It helps pair new hires with more senior employees at Resultant, and it helps them get acclimated to the company so they're not on their own for the first few months.
So how did we start out at Resultant? I was actually an intern back in the summer of 2018 when we had about 100 people or so. Since then, we've tripled in size. I received an offer at the end of the internship, and I've worked here ever since.
I started at Resultant back in June of 2020. This is my first job after graduation, and I was employed into Resultant through the Orr Fellowship. All right, everyone, that's all from us. Thanks for joining us.
And come work with us. If you're interested in working at Resultant, click on the link below.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.